What does that mean?
What? Meaning, like, she was in the water, she, like, fell in the water, and she was like... I was like, oop, you took some of that water in. It's okay. Hopefully you're...
Center Island, summer 2019. What?
Hopefully you are, I can appreciate you doing this without using your horn. Like,
Oh, right.
I was gonna say, so is that, I don't know if that means...
I've learned patience.
Are you from Toronto?
Yeah, I am.
Gosh, you are bucking the trend. That's all people do in Toronto, I feel like. Even compared to some other cities, they just use their horn for anything. You're walking too slow. You're on the wrong side. It's like...
That's my youngest sister.
Yeah.
We call her the taxi driver. Because you know, Jamaican taxi drivers.
Yeah.
They will break all the rules to get where they're going. And she gives nobody a bye. And she has to have it her own way.
Yeah.
Yes.
That wasn't so bad.
No,
These people were walking this.
it looked worse when you looked at
Oh,
you.
it looked
like,
bad.
Oh my gosh.
This is so pretty right here all of a sudden.
You open up and you're like,
And you know they're dangerous, they'll chase back. Right?
I came over here 2 weeks ago. Or was it a week and a half ago? 2 weeks ago? Took my shoes off.
How was it? Was it big, dry, wet?
It was, there were like
Warm
some
day?
massive puddles. Not like this, because it hadn't rained for a while, but... Or maybe it wasn't 2 weeks ago, it was a week ago. Plus, I also feel like, you know, people have... culturally, they react different to crowds, right?
For me, if there's a really thick crowd,
Yeah.
anxiety kicks in. I'm like, no, I don't want to be in the middle of this.
Well, I'm saying like some people culturally, like they live in places that are very
Yeah.
populated and
Yeah.
always crowded, and so
Kind of
accustomed to crazy crowds.
There was an article in, I think it was The Guardian last week, about this developer who's putting up this new suburb outside of Karachi, Pakistan. And the big selling point is that, you know, you can get away from the crowds, you can get away from the pollution, you can get away from the horns, you can get away from the criminal gangs. So it's basically this huge kind of almost North American looking suburb, you know, just like on the, like a 10-minute drive from Karachi, from like inner city Karachi. It's crazy.
These kids are just like...
Well, and it's also like this, like, I don't know if this is true, but they're saying like some people, like a lot of people from Hong Kong, they're used to living in high rises and in like that kind of space,
Yeah.
right? So
Small.
they'll come and buy that space because that's kind of what. But I mean, I'm among them. I do not think of that as like. That feels kind of crazy to me sometimes.
Just recouped and started their barbecue all over, drum pan and everything. What? They're not kidding.
Jerk
That's the
chicken.
place to be. Everyone looks so dry over there.
Yeah, they're like nothing happened.
Yeah, what storm?
Well, we appreciate you braving the crowds to come over there.
Not a problem.
I just smelled the chicken. Mm.
Okay, now we know we're gonna come back and be like, let me off right there. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty high. You know, like when I first came here, I used to think in my head, like Hanlan's was like a big space or a pretty big beach. But now, I feel like it is.
Very small.
Yeah, when it went underwater, after it's never been as big since,
Yeah.
you know?
You should see it right now. It is so tiny.
Yeah.
But there's still like the diehards who are still out there like tanning every day.
Really? God, I've never been to Hanlan's. I have no sense.
What?
No, never. It's just not. When I want to go to a beach, I get on a plane and I go to the train.
Oh, you go to a real beach? Is it? You one of those? You're
When
like,
I
I'm going to
think
go to a
beach,
beach, I'm going to go
when
to
people
a
say
real beach.
I'm like, what?
But do you hear what's happening with shark attacks in the ocean now?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like it's getting dangerous.
And where?
Like over a short span of time, there's been like 3 or 4 shark attacks. Like the shark comes to the
In Jamaica?
no
Oh.
in the Bahamas and
Bahamas.
Okay.
somewhere else. I can't remember what other places. A group of tourists, their daughter died to a shark attack because the sharks are actually leaving the ocean to come feed on the shores. And
Wow.
that says a lot to speaks a lot to what's happening environmentally. If
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sharks have to come feed outside.
Feeding patterns have changed.
Yeah. They shouldn't have to do that. Yeah, I'm very glad I did not try to ride it. That would not have been cute. How did the bus get over here? On the ferry?
Yeah, on one of the ferries.
Wow.
There's the one ferry that's like open on the top and it can transport vehicles.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's on Gina, I think it's called.
Uh-huh.
No idea how to open this thing. Which means I'm gonna go this way. Because I have no
Watch
idea.
it, there's a puddle.
Puddle.
Getting out into a puddle. And it's raining a little bit.
I'm wearing plastics, thank God.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sorry, here I am. I didn't even try to help you.
Why don't you guys come through the middle here?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Works for me,
Keeps you above the water.
right? Because I'm kind of queasy about my.
See, folks, this is what we do as
This
a planning
is-
committee.
you know,
this is
this
what we
is-
go through. Look, we're walking through puddles. You know,
Flood.
flood.
There's a flood.
We got soaked. Look
Well,
at me.
this needs-
Soaked.
We need to like call in, yeah my God, and like.
Yeah, you know?
Phone her in and say, do us a favor.
In fact, no, water has to be a part of the rituals for this event.
Water part of our
Has to. Can't miss it. In honor of the experience.
Yeah, Maya, we're asking you nicely.
All right.
It was the original Toronto Island School. The very original burnt down, and then this one was the one that replaced it, and then has extended some wings. Once again, got spaces.